Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to install the shaft seal, impeller, seal plate insert, and diffuser on a Starite Max-E-Glas jet pump. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: pliers, vice grips, flathead screwdriver, 1/4 inch nut driver, 9/16 inch wrench, silicone grease. Parts you will need: impeller, shaft seal, diffuser, seal plate insert, and Diffuser O-ring. Step 1. Loosen the 5 diffuser screws and remove the diffuser. Step 2. Remove the back cover with a 1/4 inch driver. Step 3. Loosen the screw on the triangle-shaped part and leave it hanging. Step 4. Loosen the screw on the part with the springs with a flathead screwdriver and remove it. Step 5. Hold the shaft in place with vice grips and remove the impeller from the shaft by turning it counterclockwise. Step 6. Remove the 4 bolts holding the seal plate to the motor with a 9/16 inch wrench. Step 7. Push the shaft seal out of the seal plate with a flathead screwdriver. Step 8. Grab the copper seal plate insert with pliers and pull it out of the seal plate. Step 9. Cover the bottom edge of the seal plate insert with silicone grease and press it firmly into the seal plate. Step 10. Install the shaft seal into the seal plate insert with the smooth side facing outward and wipe it down with a paper towel. Step 11. Connect the seal plate to the pump motor with the 4 bolts. Step 12. Install the spring part of the shaft seal over the shaft with the graphite facing inward. The graphite and ceramic should butt up against each other. Step 13. Hold the shaft in place with vice grips and thread the impeller clockwise on the shaft until the impeller stops. Step 14. Install the diffuser with the 5 screws. Step 15. Install the part with the springs with a flathead screwdriver. Step 16. Install the triangle-shaped part. Step 17. Install the back cover. Step 18. Cover the diffuser O-ring with silicone grease and install it on the diffuser. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.